Hello again, folks. So, package day, but a little bit more interesting. This was completely unexpected. I'll give you a little bit of a back history. Now, when I started, back in the fall of the autumn of 99, I came across a guy called Lucky Pick. This is his sticker. And when I first got picking and got to know him, I did actually purchase 4 padlocks off him just as he was setting up his own lock picking business. And there's the emblem again. Now, he did leave Facebook because he found it to be a bad place, and he is on YouTube as Term Security, also aka for the myth busting locksmith. So I'll leave a link down below. But anyway, basically, the long and the short of it, I'll leave a QR code up actually for you so you can have a little scan if you want to. The long and the short of it is, I try and see as many lockspot videos as I can, and whenever I do, I always try and leave a nice, happy, positive comment, because there's a lot of bad out there in the world, and nobody wants it. Nobody wants to hear it. If you haven't got anything nice to say, then keep your mouth shut. That's what I say. But I always like to give someone a lift, or say, nice one, you've done this nice, or you've done that nice, or just have a great week, or anything at all you could say to be positive. And he actually said, well, thanks so much for all your positive comments. If you send me your details, then I'll send you a little something to say thank you, because it's appreciated. Which completely blew me away, by the way, I have to say. So, thank you very much. John, his name is. I won't tell you his last name. And again, on the padlocks, this is the sort of guy he is. Look, he started putting these padlocks out. I've got a 30, 40, a 50 and a 60, all in the same. I bought these, all delivered. I think it was for less than 55 quid at the time. This was like 5 years ago though. So, beautiful big locks. And it's got 2M security on there. I've put tape across the bottom because he's put his phone number on all of these padlocks. So, if you're a customer of his and you use these padlocks, and it fails, you've got the phone number right there to call him so he can come and sort you out and help you out. That's the sort of guy John is. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below anyway, so you go and check him out. So on top of that, just being that sort of guy, he's also sent me a surprise. And I thought I'd share that surprise with you guys today. My word. Look, another sticker. So 5 years ago, and today, still the same genuine guy. Term Security. Like I say, I'll leave a link down below. You can go and check him out. I've got a wonderful pen. I think it's a pen. It could be anything, couldn't it? No, that's a light. Is it? It's his light. Look at that. Yes. Thank you so much. I will watch that back because I think I might have flashed the phone number on there. I'll have a look. I might have to edit some of these things out. So we've got this awesome bottle opener as well. Mind you, it's nothing you wouldn't want to share, is it? Surely. And this cool little bag. Look at that. Mate, thank you. Thank you so much. That was completely unexpected. And like I say, I'll just take it upon myself to try and spread a bit of positivity in the world. There's so much bad stuff going on in the world. Another barcode sticker. I'll just put that up there again. Why not? I don't know which way around it should be. We don't know. Here we go. I'll do this. Let's do this. Yes. So, anyway, that being said, I thought, I mean, I've been meaning to do this for a long time. I thought I'd probably pick one of these, do a little Lucky Pick series, or 2M security series. Excuse me, still recovering from this cold. It's been 4 weeks now. Damn COPD. So, let's clear some of this generosity away a little. I love this. Thank you so much, John. That's completely blown me away. Thank you. And we'll get some picks out. And don't know if I need that or not. That's usually my go-to. Let's wait and see. Tensioners. Right. Let's start at the bottom, and we'll start the Lucky Pick series right here, right now, with a big thank you. Thank you, John. That's for Keyway. Now, I remember when I first got these, they were all a really good, interesting pick. There are security pins in here, but I haven't picked them for 5 years. They've just been sat in the boxes, because this is what happens. You end up being collectors. You pick them once, you move on, you find more locks, you put them on the shelf, and before you know it, it's taken over your house. I'll do a video on that actually, just how much it spread. So, it's just my normal go-to for a brand new one. I'm going to call it brand new because it's been, we've got a sprung core. Again, there's another video I need to do soon. Chris has done a good video on making these tensioners, but I feel like I need to do a link and do another video just to bring it back. Tiny keyway. Let's go for a small SS dev. It's not working. Let's try this one. In case you're wondering, I brought this in because I was going to put it in a hasp, but as I've not picked it for a while, I thought give it a little pick in hand. Just see what it feels like. I'm trying not to look at the keys. Okay, right. So we're going to open. Let's not look at those. Let's see if we can do that again while it's in a usable state, but clearly not securing anything. obviously, lock spot rules. Respect your creed. So again, I've got 2 fingers just underside it, look. It's so small. I was just watching a video actually of Jason from SC Lock and Key picking a lock up a ladder, clearly not designed to be stood on for any length of time, in sweltering heat, in a limited space. So a little tip for you folks out there: if you've got a lock and it's easy, find a way to make it harder. If you're used to picking it this way, look, you can also put it in the hasp the other way, so you got tension completely the other way. Make it difficult for yourself. Create a real world in the field situation. There we go. And you can get a lot more out of one lock. I mean, for example, I threaded that on that way, didn't I? So let's just say it's on that way. So if the keyhole's the opposite way, we've already found out that this sort of works. But now you got a whole lot of different stuff going on. So try picking like this, folks. And may I recommend you start with an easy lock. But yeah, if you want to get more out of a lock, find as many ways as you can to pick it. Anyway, that's it for now, folks. That is a big thank you to Lucky Pick, aka 2M Security, and use magical barcode. So that's it for now, folks. Thank you so much, John. It's really appreciated, and I hope you appreciate the tips. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a nice day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, folks.